triangle बनता है and we'll put like this. Okay, and then you put this chain. Okay, and remove the GoPro, mask, charger, cable, okay, and Colgate. Okay, then these are easy accessible pouch. So what you can keep here, you can keep your memory card, GoPro batteries, and all those things which can be easily accessible every time. Okay, so that's it for this side. So here I will keep one bottle, and I will keep this. Okay, but I will take that out later. And we have this. And take few more clothes. So for now you can close it. So this is now very essential nowadays. So I will keep one mask here. Okay, so that it can be easily accessible anytime, anywhere, without pulling this bag down. Here, without keeping it down. Oh, I have one more pair of clothes here, and this is very mandatory. Okay, now let's say how to pack your bags. First you have to fold like this, and then you roll it like this. When you roll it, it will occupy less space, and this should be the pattern you should be putting in your rucksack. Okay, so as we are going to the cold places, and I have made some room here, I'll pull this and put this down. Okay, so we have a space here. Similarly, you take this and roll it again and pull it. And this is this side. Why I'm keeping this side? Because the chain is in this side, so I can take out anytime. And I have few pair of socks. Socks also you should be rolling like this, and these socks should be kept in your side, because this is very small, right? So it might get lost in your big clothes. Okay, so just put it and hang. Similarly you do for your innerwears. This is again you have to roll like this. Send it at the end. Yeah. We have a brush. So this is most important. We always forget this, but this time I won't. And I will keep this brush and water bottle in one side. Okay, keep that. Okay. Now it's done. I have a watch. This is
Smart band.
MI smart band, but for now it's discharged, so I have to keep this in charge and put it in my electronics bucket. was for this bag. I have another bag. Yeah, for this is a cap. And here I have few more pair of clothes. So shirt you cannot roll. If you roll the shirt, it won't be like to wear.
It will be wrinkled.
It will be wrinkled, and you cannot wear it.
Wrinkled.
And you cannot wear it after that.
Wear it.
And again you hold it like this and put it here. Okay. And then you make this bit loose. So now you have this here. And yeah, this kind of t-shirt. If you have this kind of t-shirt,
Gym shirts.
yeah, and it's very good to wear,
Active wear.
and it's a lightweight and water resistance as well, and it dries very quickly. Okay, so the same thing, I'll show you how to roll. You roll it like this, and then put the roll at the top. And this bag is also empty. And I have my passport, but I won't take that. And I have nothing to take. And I will be using my jacket.
চলো
ফোকাস একদম এই হাতে হাত যেতে যেতে যাচ্ছে ওখানে ফোকাস। এবারে পুরো আমাকে ফোকাস।